consumer defensive, such as the Walmart, Costco, those kind of things. Coca-Cola, Pepsi is don't really affect them much. So if you really want to do trade on a long-term perspective, this few things is one of the key factors that you can trade on the long term. Walmart, Costco is one of the factors that is likely to go higher. And this week, Walmart will be also announcing their earning reports. It is likely to be higher than it's likely to be lower, but I'm thinking that we can use this kind of data to just continue to do long positions because Walmart in the longer time frame from the technical and also the fundamental perspective, the price is continue going higher. Market is going down because of the risk sentiment. The sentiment has been and the risk assets has been dropping down. Stock indexes, cryptocurrency, crude oil has been affected. So you can see that this is okay. So next, what has been going through? Okay, so what it really happened to. So um, next we'll be talking about the dollar index. Okay, as you need to know that the money flow will be go through a place. Okay, once stock indexes, cryptocurrency, crude oil has been dropping, money flow will be certainly go through a certain place. So maybe go through stock index, maybe go through maybe cryptocurrency, maybe go to currencies, maybe so on. So right now we can see that the money flow has been go through where? So will be go through. So let's put it right here. We can see that the money has been from this point onwards dropping down. Resets has been dropping down. Stock indexes, cryptocurrency, crude oil has been also affected. And right away, what we can affected on safe haven currency has been going higher. So we can see that the safe haven currencies has been going higher. So safe haven currencies. So have so safe thing. Safe haven currencies has been going higher. So safe assets, you can see that. Okay, so you can see that the safe haven currencies has been lifted out. So safe haven currencies will be going through and what is the safe haven currencies? So we can see that safe haven currencies is the dollar index. Okay, so we can see that the dollar index is going higher. Dollar index, JPY, CHF, and also gold and maybe silver, so some sort. So you can see that everything has been going higher. Okay, so you can see that actually the safe haven currencies going higher. Okay, so right now what we can see is that the US elections has been digested and the risk assets have been dropping down, stock indexes, cryptocurrencies, crude oil has been going lower, and safe haven currencies has been continue going higher. Dollar index, JPY, CHF, gold, silver, it's likely to go higher. So right now, this is what we can call the current sentiment. So the current sentiment is likely to go through like this, and we are going definitely looking through the price to continue going higher from the safe haven currencies. So from the safe haven currencies, we are likely to see the price to continue going higher. Okay, safe haven currencies will be going higher, especially on dollar index, to be honest. So why? So why I'm thinking that the dollar index is probably going higher. Okay, so there's a few things that will be boosting on the dollar index. So what is the few things that will be boosting higher on the dollar index? So what are the things that will be boosting higher on the dollar index? So there's a few things that will be boosting higher on the dollar index. One is that the Federal Reserve has been dropping rates. So the Federal Reserve has been reducing on dropping rates. So from last week, we can see that every economy situation has been getting well. So from the first thing, we can see that the stock in, the what again? The CPI is higher than expectations, staying higher by 2.6%. The retail sales is also higher than expectations. Later on, we'll be talking much more details about it, but it's more at the spending, the inflations, and also the employment sites has been also remaining strength. So because of that, the economy situation is going great. So all along, we can expect that price is actually the price is actually going on the higher sides. So you can see that overall, what we can see that the dollar index has been gaining high because the economic situation is going great, and the market sentiment has been dropping and reducing the Federal Reserve to cutting rates. So from this PPT, you can see that the Federal Reserve has been cutting rates. So going through, you can see that previously is 68.6%. Right now is 61.9 because the market sentiment is going through likely that will be remaining interest rates. So right now it's 38.1. Last Friday, I think I remember it's 35 point something percent. So because of that, we can expecting that the Federal Reserve will be continue and likely to remaining interest rates in the future. So this has been causing a lot of sectors and a lot of support from the dollar index to forming supports. So the first thing is that the safe haven currencies, okay, safe haven products, safe haven currencies. The second is that the Federal Reserve will be might likely to remaining interest rates. So, and this is all of the factors that forming a really strong support for the dollar index. So everything is showing signs that the dollar index might be remaining a strong support, and we are likely to see dollar index to continue going higher. Okay, so going back, you also can see, reaching back to our slides, you can see that overall the dollar index is likely to go higher. Okay, as we already mentioned before, from the starting on November, we already mentioned that dollar index is likely to go higher, and long dollar index is always a good choice rather than do shorts on other pairings such as do shorts on dollar index. Okay, so remember doing long on dollar index is one of the factors, and remember to do long on. Okay, next is JPY pairings. What is the factors that JPY is going stronger? So the one of the factors is that people predicting that Japan might be raising interest rates in the near future. So in the near future, might be raising interest rates, and currently the economic situation is remaining solid as well, so it's likely to remaining there interest rates, Japan is much more focusing on their what we call the average pay, okay, the average pay earnings, because overall Japan's inflation is really high right now. I think around two something percent or maybe around 3%. So Japan is likely to boost on the average earnings and consider to give give all along we can expected that the dollar, I mean the JPY pairings might be really a big volatility. So you can see that dollar index will be going ups and downs in the short period of time. Okay, the next is the CHF pairing. So what is really happening on the CHF pairings? Okay, so the CHF pairings is actually one of the pairings is not going that strong. So why? CRF economy situation is not that great, to be honest. Switzerland has been dropping a lot, unemployment rate has been increasing, and so on. But right now, the price has been continued going higher because the has been dropping a lot of rates and also consider safe haven currencies. So in a short period of time, CHF pairings might be affected and might be supported up. Okay, next is about the gold market. What is really happening on the gold market? Do you really consider that gold market is going higher or going lower? Okay, so what is happening on the gold market? Gold market, as I already mentioned, there's no any reasons that the gold has been going higher. Okay, to be honest, gold has been dropping a lot, and I'm thinking that it's likely to continue going lower as well. So doing shots on gold is probably a good thing, but not right now. Okay, gold is definitely showing some strength right now, and because of the sentiment, okay, the risk. How do we do trading using this? Okay, so remember, if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. every day from 7 to 10. So if you do really like us, please give us a like and subscribe, and remember to follow up our channels, and hope to see you there. Okay, we can go back to this monthly, see this is a liquidity grab, so it might be going some strength that the price might be going higher, so be aware of. Okay, so dollar index. So right here we have been talking a few stock indexes, cryptocurrency, crude oil has been going lower, and this has been causing a little bit support on the safe haven currencies. So the safe haven currencies has been going higher, such as the dollar index, JPY, CHF, gold, and time. So from this point onwards, we can expect that overall the sentiment is going strong, and we are likely to see dollar index to go higher. So in summary, right, I'm thinking that doing long on dollar index is probably the best way and also the good way to do trading. So remember, if you do really like trading, please, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So what it really happens last week. The US election sentiment has been dropping, risk assets has been dropping down, stock indexes, cryptocurrencies, crude oil has been going lower, and safe haven currency or safe haven products has been going higher. So this has been causing dollar index, JPY, CHF, gold, and silver to continue going high. Let's go through SP 500. So what is going on from the SP 500 perspective? So from the SP 500 perspective, I'm thinking that it's likely to clear. Right now, the price is going up, going through some kind of here. So you can see that the market has been has been creating a lot of liquidity and rebalancing back. So I'm not likely to see the price to continue going higher, to be honest. So let's go through our liquidity area. So liquidity. Mhm. Okay, so let's look through the liquidity. One of the best thing that I'm thinking of is that the Walmart. Walmart is going really, really strong. So we can see that the Walmart has been going really strong. Price has been continue going higher and higher in a short period of time. So you can see that the stock index, the Walmart price has been going higher and higher and reaching through a new high. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this about it. Okay, so right now what we can see is that the market is actually what? Grabbing liquidity. So the closing this is that okay, what causing the price to go higher, okay, is imbalance. Okay, once imbalance has been balancing out, the price will be balanced to the average price. So where is the average price? We can expect that the price will be holding on, will be around this area. Why? Because this area is the okay, why? Okay, so you can see that this is what we call the this area is what we call the point of control. Okay, so once the point of control, meaning by that is that this area is the most liquidity area, most a lot of volume, a lot of liquidity. So once the price has been going this low and pushing this high, breaking through this, create this imbalancing out. So we are likely to see that the price will be rebalancing to this balance volume area. So what we can see is that right now the price in a short period of time. So once the price has been going higher in a short period of time, what we can expect, the price is already hitting all this volume. Meaning by that is that the price has been volume up, taking out, and now the price is rebalancing to this bell curve. So once the price has is likely to form some kind of support from this area, from this volume profile, what we can see from the volume profile. Okay, so now I will be explaining to you what is volume profile? Volume profile is actually a profile that's showing you guys what is the activity from the candle perspective. Okay, candlestick is actually 2D. We just can see that the price is where is the OHLC or open high low close, or where is the supporting area and where is the going strong. Okay, and from the volume profile is actually 3D. We can see that what's inside of it. Okay, how does the market react, what is the market reacting on, and how does it cause, and some sort. Okay, so from this point onwards we can see that this is a balanced area. People will be passive, passive, passive. So once the price has been forming imbalance, so what is imbalance? Imbalance is some sort something like this. You can see that the price is no any volume because people has been going higher and creating eating a lot of what I mean buying momentum is much more stronger. So you can see that here will be spread will be increasing, and after that, for a certain of time, the price will be rebalancing down and eating back to this rebalancing this efficiency area. So right now we can expect that the market is rebalancing down from this point onwards, and likely afterwards what will happen, the price is likely to go higher. Okay, there's a lot of sentiment is showing signs that the stock indexes will be likely to continue going strong. As I already mentioned, is likely to continue going strong. There's a few factors. One is that the US elections, Donald Trump is probably will be boosting the economic situations, and Federal Reserve is likely to continue maintaining their. I mean the economic situation is going great. US Donald Trump might be continue to boosting their economic situation, so we are likely to see that the price of stock indexes is likely to continue going higher. Okay, so going so because of that, this is our point of interest. So this is our point of interest, and the price is likely to show some kind of supports from this point onwards. So what we can see is that the price is showing some kind of supports and likely to continue going higher. Okay, so if we do really want some confirmations, how do we get it? Okay, there's a few things. One is that we can wait for the price to forming higher high and higher low, or maybe price is disrespecting on this fair value gap. So this you can see that the price either really affected on, you can see that the price is actually remaining this. So if we do really want to a strong supporting area, we can likely to see the price. We might need to see the price to give us some bullish momentum and break through this. And then afterwards, we can try to continue doing long and expecting that the price is likely to continue going higher. Okay, so all along, I'm expectations that the price is likely to continue going on the higher sides. Okay, so why? Because the price has been reaching through this supporting area, the daily fair value gap area, and the price has been some kind of supports from this point onwards. So you can see that the price has been forming some kind of spots. But if we do really want a major confirmations, we can wait for the price to break through this area. Once the price has been breaking through, then I'm likely to see some kind of bullish momentum, and the price will be going higher and reaching here, or maybe reaching much more higher. Okay, so all along, I'm expected that the stock indexes will be gladly and it's likely to continue going on the higher space. So if you do really like our content, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to join our Telegram group. Our Telegram group do have also have trading signals and so on. So if you do really enjoy, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue sharing you the best contents and also the latest contents. We'll be also providing free educations and also free free educations, trading signals, and so on. So if you do really interested, please give us a like, subscribe. Let's talk about the interest rates. So dollar index is in a short period of time will be likely to continue going higher. Okay, likely to continue going higher. Actually, I'm thinking to do shorts on gold market as well. So later on, I'll be telling you my perspective. Okay. Okay, so go buy or sell. Okay, go in the long term this week. I'm thinking to do sell, but if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to what is going on from the dollar index. So dollar index is likely to continue going higher. So what is it going on? Okay, so we'll be canceling out and letting you guys know what is really going on. So we'll be canceling out everything and giving you some sights of what is going on. So from the monthly perspective, we can see that the price is, we already high and this is the lowest point. The price has been reaching through, grabbing this low, and then the price has been continuing going higher. So we can see that the price has been reaching through this fair value gap. So as we already mentioned, the price has been going here, grabbing this sell side liquidity, and once this price has been grabbing this sell side liquidity, the price has been reaching through this high and rebalancing out, and then after that the price has been going up and rebalancing down, getting grabbing this sell side liquidity, and the price has been continue going higher. As we already mentioned, we are keep on doing long on the dollar index, so you can see that the price is actually going higher and higher. So you can see that the price has been going here, okay, grabbing this liquidity, okay, and rebalancing down. And once the price has been rebalancing from here onwards, the price has been giving us a lot of liquidity and the price has been reaching through the highest point. Where is it? Will be here or even what we call from here onwards. So overall, I'm thinking that dollar index is kind of going stronger. So you can see the sell side liquidity has been grabbed, the price has been going higher, falling back to this fair value gap, and I'm thinking that the price is likely to go to the higher place here, or even here, or maybe even here. So right away, I'm thinking that dollar index will be going back and grabbing this liquidity area. Even I'm thinking that this liquidity area. So dollar index is probably going higher and reaching through this area. Once the price has been reaching through, then it's likely to reach through some kind of maybe some kind of rebalancing back on the downsides. But right away, I'm thinking the price from here onwards, we can see that the price has been momentum has been dropping down. Okay, so where is it? Let's talk about it. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that the price from here to here, the price momentum has been dropping down. Okay, so what So what is going on? So you can see that from here onwards, the price has been forming this ranging area from the daily perspective. Okay, the cryptocurrency has been rising quite much from November onwards. The elections has been giving a lot of support from the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has been going really high. So you can see that the price has been going higher, higher, closing the previous high, previous high, previous high, previous high, previous high. It continued to reach through. And right now, what we can see that the price has been remaining and failed to displace above. So we can see that the price is failed to displace above, and what we can see is that the price is actually showing the price is going lower. So you can see that the price is showing here, grabbing lower, and then the price is going ranging area from this all point onwards. Meaning by that is that in a short period of time, the upwards momentum has been weakening in a short period of time. So from that point onwards, I'm expecting at the price is likely to go through some kind of the price is likely to. I'm gonna try and pass my Thunder account with your signals, bro. Oh ho, okay. It's possible. It's because our signals is actually quite okay. Okay, okay. Our signals and our winning rate is quite okay. You can go try it. Definitely, you can earn some pips a bit, earn some pips. Okay. So from the cryptocurrency perspective, I'm already mentioned that the price is actually showing signs of going weaker. So after that, I'm already mentioned that the price is going weaker from the previous day. So this is the day that we are talking to do shorts, if you still remember. So the price has been rebalanced and rebalanced to this efficiency, and once the price has been rebalanced that, and we'll be also doing shorts from here, even though that the price has been dropping down, have been going higher, and then after that, the price has been going ranging area. So what is going on? So what we can see is that the price is going here, reaching through this liquidity area. So what we can see is that the market is reaching through, going lower. So you can see the price has been grabbing this high, go through those buy I mean the buy I mean what buy stop, okay, buy stop loss, getting out, and then afterwards the price has been going lower. Okay, so where is it going to? It's probably will be going through this level. Okay, I'm thinking that the market is going through a ranging area, so the market will be going liquidity by liquidity, so it's probably will be going much more lower than here. So we are likely to see that the cryptocurrency Bitcoin will be going lower than here. Okay, maybe lower than here and breaking through and going where we'll be probably going to this level. Okay, so we are probably will be going through this level. So the price has been showing some signs of going here. So I'm probably waiting for the price to go through this 50% area. Okay, so we are likely to see that the price is going through, breaking through this liquidity area, and once the price has been grabbing here, we can expect that the price is continue going on the higher sides. Okay, maybe in a short period of time, the price might be ranging, but at least right now, I'm thinking that the price will be. I'm thinking that the cryptocurrency Bitcoin is going a ranging momentum. Okay, from the daily perspective, has been showing signs. From the weekly perspective is still going strong, but from the daily perspective, we can see that the price is showing some kind of informations that the price is on this on the lower sides. Yes, this is live. So if you do really like us, please do remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and remember to give us your supports. Okay, so we'll be having a lot of live signals, trading applications, and so on. So give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue doing live streaming for you guys and giving you the latest insights and also the best educations that you ever had. Okay, so last week we have been mentioned a lot of things. Okay, when is the next signal, sir? Okay, next signal probably will be waiting. Okay, the next signal will be probably posting on the TG group. So if you do really like it, if you want our signal group, you can go to our Telegram group and we'll be also posting much more about it. So remember, if you do really like our content, please go through uh, our content. Okay, please go through our trading signals. So I mean TG group, so that you can earn some pips from it. Okay, so remember to earn something and also profit from it. Okay, so nonetheless, right now let's talk about the okay. So remember, follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to give us your supports. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to we'll be doing live streaming every day. Uh, So live streaming Monday to Friday, okay, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. So do remember to 7 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. Okay, so remember to give us your support and also join our bio. Okay, we have a lot of signals and also a lot of things. So if you do really enjoy it, give us a like and subscribe so that we'll be continue giving you guys the best education spot. Okay, and if you do really want our more signals, you can go to our bio sections. So if you want more signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, you can go to bio sections. Okay, join our Telegram group. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. More signals, you can go to our bio sessions, join our Telegram group. Our signal group is quite okay. The winning rate is quite strong as well. So if you do really enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and follow us. So right away, today we have been giving out some signs of giving you some reasons, okay, because we need to know what is happening from the financial market situations. What is the cause? Because once we know what is going on, we will be knowing where is the money flowing. Okay, where is it going through? As we already mentioned before that the money is flowing through a safe haven currencies because the market has been slowly digesting on the Donald Trump elections effects, sentiments. So the stock indexes has been retransferred down. But do we expect it on the stock indexes to go much more lower? Not likely. Okay, stock indexes, is it possible stock indexes to go that low and reaching back to this level? It's not pretty likely because first we can see that the economy is going great, the unemployment remaining low, the retail sales is higher than expectations. Consumer price index, also inflation is also higher, 2.6%. And it's like, and US, the next year, Donald Trump is being elected on president is probably also boosting on the economy situations. So in a short period of time, stock indexes is not likely to go where? Not likely to go through here. To be honest, it's not likely. It's probably is going higher and higher, so doing long is probably the good case. So what is happening from this? Using volume profile or volume perspective, we need to know that market is probably pushing by liquidity. So what does it mean by liquidity? Okay, so what does it mean by liquidity? Liquidity is actually giving you some kind of the price. Okay, price is usually happening on a ranging area. Okay, so ranging area meaning by that is balancing out. So I will be showing you again and giving you some signs of it. Okay, so I will be showing you. Okay, so from this point onwards, let's talk about volume profile. Okay, volume profile is actually one of my like indicators. Okay, so what we can see from here, if we don't see anything, what we can see right here, we can see that the market in 2D. What is mean by 2D? 2D is actually giving you saying that the price is from here, resistance is going here, and once the price has been forming a resistance, the price has been dropping and retracement. That's it. So candlestick just can give us a 2D sentiment. So what is 3D? 3D means that you can look through what is this candlestick inside of it. Okay, what's the volume behind of it? Okay, so going through, we'll be using a volume profile. So we'll be using a fix. So from this point onwards, what we can see, okay, from this point onwards, we can see that this is the balanced volume profile. What does it mean by that? Meaning by that, there's a lot of people buying and selling and a back passive states. So what does it mean by that? A lot of people will be buying and selling with the passive states. Doesn't really affect it much. People buying and selling and going through a range area. Meaning by that is that the market is the most volume area and the most liquidity area from here onwards. So you can see that the price has been forming a lot of volume. Okay, once the volume has been formed and the price has been imbalanced. So what does it mean by imbalance? Imbalance, you can see that price from here onwards is forming a what? This is a really less volume. Okay, so we can see that this is a less volume, and this is some kind of what? Rebalancing out, and then after that, the price has been going higher. Okay, so from this point onwards, what we can see is that the market has been forming this volume. The price has been going lower and then break through this area. So what does it mean by that? This area. So meaning by that is that the market is actually forming a going through and it all this liquidity, eating all this volume. So is it possible that the price is upwards momentum is really strong? Yes, it is. It's going telling us that the upwards momentum, our upward trend is really strong. So we are likely to see that the price is what is likely to continue going higher. So this is what we can see about it from the volume profile. Okay, the volume is really strong, and then once the price has been breaking through, meaning by that it's likely to continue going higher because it has been eat all the price, eating all the volumes, eating all the what we call the areas of liquidity, and then the price has been going higher. So what we can see and expected that here onwards the price has been rebalancing out. So what does it mean by rebalancing out? So once the price has been going higher, the volume it's imbalanced. Meaning by that, a lot of people is using a much more higher price to buy out. Buy. So you can see that what is happening right here. Okay, so you can see that the market is from here onwards, price is no any liquidity, is only imbalance. So you can see that the price has been imbalance. What happened once the imbalance has been formed? The spread will be huger, larger, and once the price has been rebalancing from here, the price will be rebalancing down and going back to this level. Okay, so same goes to here. You can see that it's actually the same thing. Okay, so you can see that on here onwards, the price, okay, so you can see the here onwards, what happened? Imbalance, balance, okay, imbalance. So forming back, you can see that this is actually the imbalance range. Okay, so we can see that the imbalance range, and where is it going to? Rebalancing back to where? To this area, the ranging area. So the right now it's also the same thing as well. You can see that the price is going what we call a balance area, and then the price has been reaching higher. Once the price has been reaching higher, what we can expect? We can expect that the market is going through this area. So we can see that the market has been going through rebalancing out to this supporting area. So we are likely to see what? We can likely to see that the price is going higher. Okay, so if you do really like us, please do remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember to give us your support. We'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you do really like us, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, Okay, so right away, I'm thinking that the market is probably going higher and higher. So trying to do long positions is actually a really great thing. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can see that the market has been showing some kind of supports. So we are likely to wait for the price to break through. We need to have a confirmation. So right here, we can see that the market has been forming imbalance, going higher. So once the price has been reaching back, then we can try to continue doing on a long positions. Okay, once the price has been breaking through this high, we can say that and we can predict the price is going out, rebalancing out, and is likely to continue going higher. Okay, so right now we will be waiting for the breakthrough because we can see that this is the imbalance. Once the price has been breaking through this balance, and then we'll be trying to do long positions and waiting for here or even here. So this week we'll be mainly focusing on the stock indexes SP 500. Okay, so now let's talk about everyone the favorite one is the gold market. Okay, so remember everyone, if you do really enjoy it, please give us a follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. If you want more signal, you can go to our bio sessions or to join our Telegram group. So remember, if you do really like us, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be continue and giving you much more informations and also much more details about it. Last week we have been giving out a crazy signals. Okay, we have been giving shots on gold. We have been giving longs on gold as well. We have been giving shots on the crude oil, and we'll be also doing long. Everything is really good. Our signals is almost not 100%, but we can see that it's almost around 90%, that kind of area. So if you do really like it, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 Singapore time. More signals, you can go to our bio sessions and join our Telegram group. Okay, so right away, if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe so that we'll be continue sharing you the latest insights and also the latest informations. So right away, can we see from the gold market? Okay, gold market, we already mentioned that the price is likely to continue going higher. So we already mentioned that price is probably going on the higher side. So let's talk about one on one, one by one. Okay, so let's talk about one by one. So right here is much more details about it. So let's talk about a bigger time frame. So last week, few weeks ago, I already mentioned that the price is going lower on gold. Okay. So how do I expect the gold is going lower? The first thing you need to know is that what has been causing the gold going higher. We need to have a reasons. Okay, especially for the retailers and especially for the investors and so on. We need to have a reasons so that the price of something will going higher. Okay, for example, if crude oil is going higher, definitely there's a reasons behind of it. Maybe war, maybe demand is strong, supply is low, or some sort, and those kind of things. So we need to have a really strong bias or maybe a really strong reasons that the gold has been going higher. So do you know that why gold has been going higher from starting of November? Okay, there's a few reasons. One, the economy situations is not stabilized. So we can see that I remember on that time we can see the US economy is not a really good time. Retail sales is dropping down, unemployment rate is rising back, and also the inflation has been dropping back to 2.2% or really strong that. So we can see that this has been causing a lot of uncertainty. So the gold has been going higher. The first thing. The second thing is all the central bank has been cutting rates. So we can see that the UK, the Euro, US has been cutting rates. Australia, New Zealand, CHF, I mean Switzerland's, every countries except Japan's. Okay, but every countries has most likely to cutting rates. So once the cutting rates has been happening, currency's value will be dropping down, and this will be boosting higher on the gold market. So the gold market is because of these reasons that the gold market has been going higher. So what is the reason this has been going lower? Because the market has been slowly digesting all the news, and right now it's starting on the next year 2025. So in 2025, what is really going on? 2025, we can expect economy situations is probably going great. So for risk assets perspective, not a really good sign. So this is also one of the reasons why that the gold has been dropping down. So this is the logic behind of it. Okay, but we need to have confirmations. So what is the confirmations? Okay, so from the monthly perspective, this is the biggest time frame that we can get. Okay, so from the monthly time frame, we can see that what is going on. The price is closing higher than the previous candlesticks. Meaning by that is that price is going higher or uptrend. So from this one, you can see that the price has been closing above, from the closing above, not closing above or closing below, ranging, and then after that, the price closing above, closing above, closing above, and closing above. So from starting on 2024 onwards, the price has been keep on closing a previous candlestick above. But right now, what we can see, price has been closing here below. So meaning by that, it's not really likely that the gold market might be reaching back to 2,700 or maybe 2,800 or maybe even much more higher. It's not really likely. So what we can expect is that we are likely to see the gold is probably going a lower state. Okay, so right now what we can see from the weekly standpoint, what we can see is that the price has been grabbing this liquidity. So what does it mean by that? The price has been going high but didn't really remaining high. So the price do really displace, but the price has been closing down below. From this point onwards, we are already expectations that the price is going low and reaching through this low and reaching back to what we call this fair value gap. So we can see that the price has been forming a fair value gap from here. So we can see that the price has been forming some kind of fair value gap from here, and the price has been reback. Okay, but do you think that I'm thinking to do long? Not really likely. I'm actually thinking that the price is actually going through a retrenchment. So remember, if you do really like us, please do remember to follow us, like and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 Singapore time. And remember, if you want more about our signals, go to our bio sections and join our Telegram group. Okay, so remember to give us a support, like, subscribe, and follow us. Remember to give us like and subscribe. Okay. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10. More signal can go to our bio sections and join our Telegram group. Okay. So right now, if you do really like, if going back. Okay, so right now the price has been forming back some kind of support. So this is the weekly. So we'll be going back to 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, where can we see how does it what is going on? Right now we can see that forming here, as we already mentioned, this is balance. Okay, this is actually a volume profile point of control. You can say that this is our point of control. Once the point of control has been formed, the price has been imbalanced. Imbalance, what will be imbalanced will be forming back to this area. Okay, so you can see that the price has been forming back. And where does it the price is going to? Probably to this fair value gap, the average area. So this is probably the area that the price is looking to. So you can see that the price has actually forming some kind of resistant area from this point onwards. So you can see that the price has been actually forming some kind of resistant area from this point onwards. So you can see that the price has been forming this resistance. But do we do shorts right now? I'm definitely not doing shorts right now because the price is it's definitely showing some kind of resistance. But if we do want to have a much more confirmations, we need to see the price to break through this, Once the price has been breaking through this, then we are likely to do shorts and aiming on the lower sides. Where is it lower? Here, or maybe even much more lower. Okay, as I already mentioned, the price of gold is definitely going lower rather than going higher. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And do remember to give us your support. So your support is the most important thing. But remember, if you do give us your support, we'll be continue doing our live streaming. So this is much more details about it. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do give us your support. Okay, live streaming from Monday to Friday, and also we'll be doing live streaming every day from 7 to 10. And more signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, join our Telegram group. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 Singapore time. More signal, go to our bio sessions, and you can join our Telegram group if you wanted to. Okay, so let's go back to our area. So this is much more details. So we can see that the price has been going higher, grabbing liquidity, rebalancing out, going back and rebalancing out, going back and rebalancing out, and the price has been going back. So right now, I'm actually expecting that the price is going lower, to be honest. So this is a really good confirmation. The price has been reaching back, rebalancing here, and then after that, the price has been going lower. So right now, I'm thinking that the price is actually rebalancing back to this liquidity area. So once the price has been balanced out from here, this is the fair value gap area, and also the volume profile, the previous volume profile, and we are likely to see some kind of resistance overall. Okay, if you don't believe me, let's go through our charts. Okay, this is our trading view, so you can go through as a USD, and we can try to give you some signs of what is going on. Okay, so right back we'll be choosing and using 1 hour time frame and letting you guys know what is going on. So from this point onwards, what we can see, this is what we call the point of control. Okay, so we can see that this is what we call a point of control. Price going here, imbalancing out. So what we can call this is what we call is that imbalance. So the price has been reaching to imbalance range. So you can see the price has been imbalanced, dropping on the lower sides. So once the price has been dropping low, and where is it going to? This level. So reaching to, giving much more details about it. From here to here, you can see that the price is likely to reach through this resistance area, and then the price is going lower. So I'm much more likely to do shorts on gold, to be honest, as I already mentioned. The fundamental sides and the technical sides has been giving us some sorts of signs that the gold market is going lower. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and remember that we will be continue giving you the latest insights and also the latest informations. Okay, so remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 Singapore time. And more signals, you can go to our bio sessions and also join our Telegram group. Okay, we will be giving the latest insights and also the latest informations. Okay, as I already mentioned, I probably will be doing shorts as this week is the third week of the month. It's probably is the third week of the month. Yeah, third week. So probably the prices will be continue remaining shorts. So doing short is much more effective, and we'll be waiting for the price. So right now the price has been effectively go through our level. So we'll be waiting for the price to take out this imbalance. Okay, so you can see that this is the balance price, balance. So we need to see the price to go through lower, then we will be doing shorts, and probably will be continue holding on and on and on. So if you do really like this, please remember to follow, like and subscribe. And remember that we'll be doing live streaming every day from 7 to 10. More signal, you can go to our bio sessions. Remember, if you do really wanted to, you can also join our Telegram group from that point onwards. Okay, so remember to give us your like and subscribe. And or do you, if you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions. Okay, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask so that we'll be continue to giving you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and join our Signal group. And if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. So right now we'll be waiting for the price to reacting on, and let's see how it happens. Gold market, we have been also giving a latest and also a really good signs. So last week we have been doing shorts from here, and we also saying that the price is going higher from here because the price is showing signs of going higher. But let's see how it happens because the price is actually forming some kind of resistance from what we call the ranging area. So you can see from this point onwards, the price is forming a really strong resistance area from this. So you can see that the price is actually forming some kind of resistance from the 50%. Okay, so this is the area as well. We need to see the price to break through. Once the price break through, then we'll be continue to doing shorts. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be continue sharing you the latest insights. More signals, go to our bio sessions. You can join our Telegram group, and you can also give us a lot of information. So remember to give us your like and subscribe, follow, and remember to join our Signal group if you do really like it. Okay, so if you do really like it, please go to our sessions. So today we have been giving out a lot of information. The first thing is that what is going on the financial markets, and we also giving out what our expectations. Right away, I'm already mentioned that the dollar index is going higher, so probably we'll be putting some kind of solid resistance from the gold market. Silver market is also likely to continue going lower. And other than that, the stock indexes probably going higher, but we need to have a confirmations. Once the price has been breaking through, then we can likely to continue doing long positions on the stock index. Maybe can do short positions on the silver, gold and silver markets, and so on. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we will continue sharing you and giving you the latest informations. Okay, the Bitcoin is probably reaching on the lower sides. Crude oil is one of the pairings that we have been giving a really good trading setups. So buy side liquidity going up, going on the block, the price has been reaching back, forming here, and I already mentioned that the price is likely to go lower. So once the price has been reaching through this, and the price has been going on the lower sides. Okay, so we have been giving a lot of good stuff right here. So if you do really like it, please give us a like and please give us your support. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, we'll be ending another 10 to 11 minutes. And after that, we'll be also giving out, I will be passing down to my next partner later on. Okay, his name is Stevens, and he is really good on the fundamental and also the technical as well. So if you do follow us, you can also listen his fundamental, and I promise you, you will be learning something new again. Okay, our live streaming is actually giving you guys on learning something new. Learning something new is the one of the key factors and also the key things that we are promoting. Okay, so going through, let's talk about the gold market. So gold market, as I already mentioned, is probably going lower. The price has been reaching through this fair value gap, and we are likely to see that the price is reaching on both sides. So uh, if you do really if you do really enjoy us, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and also the latest informations. Okay, so right now we already mentioned that the gold is probably going lower, but we need to have a really strong on the lower sides. So let's go to our volume profile and see what is going on. So going back to our volume profile. So let's see. Okay, so the price has been forming out right now is something like here. Once this has been formed, the price usually will going back towards upwards and grabbing certain liquidity first and then only going lower. So we'll be waiting for it. Once the price has been dropping here, as I already mentioned, then we are likely to see on the lower sides and the price is probably. Okay, so right away we can expect that the price is going lower. We can expect that. So we can see that the price is volume reaching back and then the price is going higher and higher. Volume point POCs is actually giving you some signs that what will be happening later on. So we can see that the price has been forming here and it's likely to go through on the lower side. So this is what we call a point of control. This is also what we can see there's a lot of resistance right here. So it's not really likely that the price is going higher, to be honest. It's much more likely to go on the lower sides, to be honest. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. So remember to give us your support so that we can continue to share you the latest insights, the latest informations, and so on. So from this point onwards, we already giving you the latest clue what our expectations on the gold market. We are expected that the gold market is likely to go a wing on the lower sides. And if you do like it, please give us a supporting area. Okay. Oh, remember that we already mentioned we are likely to see the gold is lower, but we need to see the price to break through here. Then we can try to do short positions that the price is going lower. Same as silver markets, we need to have a confirmations that the price is going lower. Break through this level, then we can continue doing shorts. And stock indexes, we are probably need to wait for the price to break through. Then we can try to do long positions afterwards and continue going higher. So this week we are probably suggesting on dollar index is going higher, gold market is probably continue going on the lower sides. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. If you do really enjoy our content, I promise you, you will not be regretting on joining our Telegram and also live streaming sessions and so on. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10. So if you do really like us, please give us your support. 7 to 10 Singapore time and more signal, you can go to our bio sections. Okay. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, we probably will be ending another 5 to 6 to 7 minutes. Hopefully, you do learn something today. We have been giving out a lot of informations. What is really going on? What's my thought about the market? What is we also promoting our signal groups and so on. So if you do really like us, please. Please give us your supports and doing live streaming sessions. Okay, so right now we can see that the market has been reaching through our area and we are likely to see some kind of resistance area, but let's see how the price react. If the price do really break through, then we can try to do shorts. Let's see a way. I'm thinking that the market might be pushing higher because this is the point of interest control. Probably will be pushing here much more higher and then going lower. But let's see how the price, how the market react. Okay. So So remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. We'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10. If you want to know more about it, you can go to our bio sessions and we'll be announcing much more signal group. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10, and more signals, you can go to our bio sections. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, if not, we might be ending our live streaming and I'll be passing down my next partner. My next partner is much more good in fundamental and also quite good on technical as well. His signal is actually quite great. So if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe and do enjoy it. Okay, we have been giving out trades on the gold market and we have been giving out on the silver markets and so on. But from the gold market perspective, we need to have a confirmations. Right now, the price has been go through our point of interest, so we need to have the price to go higher or to swipe off this buy side liquidity. So once maybe there are a lot of people doing shorts from here. So if the price do go high and then go low, then I might be trying to do shorts, putting my shorts from here and then putting my stop loss maybe 30 to 50 bips, and then after that will be going on the lower sides. Okay. So right now, let's see how the price react, and we are likely to see the price to go through maybe even on the lower sides. So So, if you do really like us, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be gladly and likely to answer your every questions. Okay. So I'm thinking that the market is last push rebalancing out from this sell side liquidity. So right now the market has been reacting on. We are hopefully that the market break through. Once the market has been breaking through, then we can try to do shorts and we are likely to see the price to go lower. Okay, so let's see how the price react. And this is what our thoughts about it. So if you do really like our stuff, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, But if you do really want more signals, you can also go to our bio sessions. Okay, right now let's end this sessions. Okay, I will be passing down to my next partner, and hopefully you do enjoy everything. Okay, thank you for everyone listening, and we'll be see you guys tomorrow. Okay, as we already mentioned, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 to 10. More signal, you can go to our bio sessions and can join our Telegram group. Okay, thank you, and we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.
sure that you guys could get another signal soon, but right now I'm waiting for confirmations. But if you guys are not, you guys can wait a bit. We could be entering around $30.75, but I'm worried that it couldn't happen, so I'll be sharing out our second signal for tonight. Okay, I would love to buy US to silver. Entry prices, you could definitely still enter around. If you guys can enter lower, I would suggest that you guys could wait around 75 and until current prices. Stop losses, I'll be giving you a bit bigger because I'm worried that there will be some market movement coming out from it. Target price 1, as usual, I'll be revealing it one by one. Target price 1, I'm expected that the nearest price target at around $30.09 to $30.95. Target price 2, I'll be revealing it more on there, so make sure that you guys check it out so that you guys could get even more clarifications on our site. But as usual, I'll be revealing more once we hit every single price target later on. Okay, so this is our second signal for tonight, and if you guys wanted to get a much clearer target price that we have already been sharing with you guys, definitely you guys could check out our home profile, click on that link so that you guys could get more information on our signal. Okay, so our view on the silver market is pretty clear. We are seeing that silver breaks strong support around $31 and $32 since the last 2 weeks, and I've been pretty bearish on silver. However, right now the market movement really offers us a very good consolidations on silver prices, and I've already been recommending our entry prices at the current price, which has already been going higher. We are entering the trades near $30.82. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on it, because we are sharing these signals quite early on the market. We have already been sharing the signals at around $30.82, and right now we are already going higher and higher. Okay, so let us see, because I believe that maybe some of you guys do miss out on the gold signal. I'll be letting you guys have a pick on it. Okay, so we have already been sharing this signal on the gold side, which I'm pretty much optimistic on that side, because market movement on the gold side is much clearer on there, and I'm likely to see a much better market movement coming out of gold rather than silver, because the consolidations on the gold side has been much better. That's one of the very first things. And gold has also been suffering a deep drop down, so it could be a good time for you guys to take a look and buy some gold on your side, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get more information on our next price target, you could definitely check out our profile, click on that link so that you guys could have more information on our price target. But don't worry guys, I will be refilling more on our price target. Once we hit our first profit target, I'll be refilling to you guys our next profit target. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, and I'll be updating you guys with our signals, because every time I'm sharing a signal, I'll be always responsible for it. I'll be updating what happens and what you guys could do if after my live streaming sessions ends. Okay, alright, so last 2 weeks has been quite wonderful for us to trade, and I'm hoping that this week could be also interesting, even though we're not seeing any huge market movement or any news coming out on the market, but I believe that we could still trade well. Alright, so we have already been entering the trades near the highest price around 2,595. So make sure that you guys who has just joined us, if you are trading a Forex site, and you could definitely still enter the trade based on our signals, it's still within our entry limit. So you guys could try to enter and put the necessary stop losses, and we have already refilled to you our first profit target. Okay, so maybe let us try to take a look on the other side, because I know that cryptocurrency market has been really hot, and I know that some of you guys do invest on it. Maybe some of you guys do trade on it, maybe you guys could have been so maybe some of you guys could trade on it, and I'll be helping you to guys to get some information how to trade on it, and maybe if you guys have been holding on it, what kind of price target could be much better for you guys to exit if you guys have been holding for quite some times. Alright, so let us check on it on the Bitcoin side, guys. Okay, Bitcoin has been quite a wonderful trade for us for quite some times, and I hope maybe we could be finding some good entry points on this chart. Alright, so let us take a bigger time frame to really look on the Bitcoin charts. So as I've already said that Bitcoin has been going very well for us. We have already been recommending multiple signals since last week, because as you guys could see, we've already been recommending quite much, and I even give recommendations that you guys could hold on your trades, because I'm looking at a very good market possibility that the market could be going higher. Alright, so what has happened since last week on the weekend on the cryptocurrency market? So the cryptocurrency market has been quite well, and definitely we have already been recommending multiple signals since last week, and definitely right now what we can see, it has a long rejections around here. So I think I will be much more cautious. If you guys are just new entering our trades, I will be suggest that you guys could be cautious, because 91,800 has been quite an important resistance area on the Bitcoin side. And if you guys have been following us, we have already been entering trades at quite low prices, as you guys could see. And the very last signals that we are sharing has already hit our first profit target. But I've already gave recommendations that you guys could hold if we go higher than that. But for now, I'm a bit concerned. Why? Because on this consolidation, it hasn't been very well, because we are seeing price market movement. Yes, it was correcting down on the lower side with low volume, which is usually a good sign coming out of it. But also, I'll be happy to see consolidations forming up a much better reactions, because it has been unclear definitely after hitting these rejections near around 92,000, which is not a very nice view on the overall long-term market movement. I will be much more cautious right now, and I definitely suggest that you guys take profit on the first profit target on our Bitcoin signals, on the last signals. And if you guys are still holding the trades from the previous signals that we have been sharing, you could definitely take some profits, because we have already been entering the trades at low prices around 81,000, 87,000, and right now it's still in 90,300. So that means you're still in a very good floating profit, and I highly suggest that maybe some of you guys who have still been holding on the trades could take some profits out of it and enjoy the profits, guys. Okay, but maybe if you guys are new, I'm afraid that I could say right now couldn't be a good time, even though I'm still bullish on the market, but market movement hasn't been very well, and I'm highly to suggest cautious rather than reaching and getting FOMO out of it, because if you guys have been following us for quite some time, you guys have been making some profits. So if you guys don't want to miss out on it on the next signals that we are sharing on any assets that we are looking through, make sure that you guys follow us so that you guys don't miss out on our next signals on whatever trading pairs. And you could also give us some likes if you guys love what we've been sharing on the overall market, because we are sharing some analysis on this Bitcoin side right now. So from my view, it's very clear that the market has been going higher and higher. That's very right. But as you guys could see, after building on these consolidations, we are actually seeing that market movement started to slow down. Okay, so it has been breaking higher and higher, hitting our price target at 83,000, 86,000, 91,000, and it seems that 91,000 could be the last resistance that Bitcoin could be reaching, guys. Okay, so I'm a bit concerned, and maybe you guys could also take a bit more cautious of that as well. Alright, so Bitcoin has been not behaving very well, and I'm highly suggest that you guys could take some of your profits. If you guys are holding or even buying Bitcoin, maybe it's a good time for you guys to take some of the profits and consider to save up on your cash, guys, because I'm not seeing good signs coming out of this right now. Okay. All right. Maybe let us try to take a focus on the trades that we could have been making money for now. We have already been entering trades on the gold side. So if you guys could see, we have already been entering here. So we are seeing these very healthy consolidations on this gold side, and we have already been recommending for you guys to enter the trades near 2,590, 2,595 at the highest price, and right now we are already hitting towards 2,598, and we have already made around 300 pips out of those signals, guys. Okay, so if you guys love and you guys wanted to get more informations on our second or even our third price target, definitely you guys could check out our profile and click on our Telegram link, guys. Okay, so you guys could get more information on what price target we have already set for you guys, and definitely I'll be updating with you guys on our next price target once we hit our second, or once we hit our first price target, guys. Okay. All right. It seems that everything has been going well on our trades on this side of the charts. I won't be that worried, honestly, guys, because everything has been going on track with our view and nothing much has changed since then. Alright, so definitely if you guys have any other questions related to the market, you can let me know on the comments and I'll be happy to answer any of your inquiries, guys. Okay, so we are doing these live streaming sessions from 11 AM to 14 PM UK time, guys. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions right now, you can let me know, because we'll be ending our live sessions at 14 PM UK time. Alright, for now, I'm pretty much confident that our trades could be going well, and we have already secured some profits soon, so we'll see how the market works. But for now, I'm still pretty much optimistic that we could be hitting our price target soon enough, and we'll see, guys. Okay. And also, we have already shared our view on the market, on the silver market as well as the gold market. So gold, silver market, we started to enter a bit higher, around $82, and right now it's still around $82, and we have almost hit to our profit target as well at $30.87. So it's very close, but I'm expecting much better market movement. For now, maybe I'll be started to readjust our stop losses, because it seems that market movement on silver is a bit volatile, and let us switch our stop losses. So if you guys have been following us, let us switch our stop losses near $30.65 for safety reasons, because we've already entered our trade. Overall, I'm still pretty much bullish on today's market action. It has been building up on a very healthy consolidations. We'll see, guys. Okay, if anything changes on the market, I'll be letting you guys know. So maybe other than gold, maybe you can try to trade some other pairs, but let us see. Because if you guys are trading on the Forex side, you would definitely have been checking out on the Forex pairs, because Forex could be offering us some good things coming out of there, and maybe we could be making some money out of there as well. Okay, so right now maybe let us take a look on it and see what trading pair that they could be offering us right now. So right now, as you guys could see on this side of the graph, so we could see the currency strength chart. So what is the currency strength charts, guys? Okay, so the currency strength charts basically told us where the market movement is the strongest on which currency pairs. And right now we could see that the currency pair strongest right now is coming out from the euro side. Next is coming out from the GBP, followed by Swiss franc, US dollar, Canadian dollar, and Australian dollar. So what can we do out of this information, guys? So out of this information, we actually could make some trades out of it. Why I'm saying that? Because with this information, we could actually determine which currency pair is the strongest and which currency pair is the weakest. And with that information, we could actually be making trades out of it. And I'll be showing you guys how to do it soon. Okay, so make sure that you guys stay tuned and check out on us. Alright, so I'll be explaining how I do my trades with this kind of informations and how you guys could do the same thing as well. So as you guys could see that right now we are actually looking at a very clear signs that the Japanese yen is the weakest, and if you compare it with Australian dollars, euro is the strongest together with GBP. But I know that most of you guys don't really trade on unique pairs, so just for you guys to see, the current market movement is not okay. We know that euro Japanese yen could be going higher for today, but one of the very first things that we want to see how the market movement has been reacting over the last few hours, so we can try to find some good entry points right now. So as you guys could see that the currency pair is the weakest on last few hours is coming up from the Canadian dollar, and also followed along with a much stronger currency pair is coming up from the New Zealand dollar. So I know that Canadian dollar against NZD hasn't been a much favorite pair, but just for the sake of for you guys to understand what we are trying to look out for, let us open the charts to show you guys what really happened. So as you guys could see that the Canadian dollar has been weakening against the New Zealand dollar, and over the last 1 hour we're actually seeing this one big red candle. Okay, so with that we know that the currency trend charts shows us what is really happening on the market. And as you guys could see, US dollar has started to weaken and the Japanese yen started to get some back. So I believe with that kind of market movement, we could be actually making some trades out of it, because US dollar Japanese yen is a much favorite pair to trade, and most of you guys do trade on there. So I'll be checking out on it. US dollar Japanese yen. Alright, so US dollar Japanese yen actually is one of an interesting trading pair right now. Why I'm saying it? Because we are close to hit the resistance here, 155.37, and we also know that the US dollar index has been quite in a risky place, as you guys could see, has been quite weakening near the top of it. So there's a potential that there will be a drop down, because we haven't seen that the US dollar index manage to break higher than this resistance, and we could be probably making some trades on the US dollar Japanese yen market, especially seeing this resistance. So we could be actually getting a very comfortable and safe bet coming out of this trade. So as you guys could see, we can try to enter the trade at the prices right now, put a sell signal, and we'll see how the market works. So I'll be trying to put a sell signal on the USD Japanese yen based on the currency strength charts to 21552.3. Stop losses, I'll be putting it at the top of it, guys. Okay, so the top of it is at 155.35. so target price 1, I'll be trying to aim not that huge, but around 150.1. price 2, and 3 I'll be refilling it more later on, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys stay tuned, because I'll be updating you guys whatever we are sharing with you guys, so that you guys could stay updated and know what we are sharing on the market. So actually, currency strength charts has been quite a wonderful trading charts and trading indicators, so that you guys could actually use it on your own, and you could see what currency pair has been the weakest and what has been the strongest, and you guys could definitely use this on your own to see how the market works out of it. So I'm looking at US dollar started to weaken and Japanese yen started to go stronger, so that's why I'm recommending a sell signal on the US dollar against Japanese yen. And it seems that market movement has been heading towards our directions, and we are currently in a small floating profit right now. So this to show you guys how we can use the currency strength charts to use on our trading side, guys. Okay, I hope that you guys learned something out of it, because I believe it could be quite useful for your trading side, guys. But definitely, if you guys have any other questions related to trading and you guys are curious, you could let me know, and I'll be happy to answer your inquiries. Or if you guys do enter your trades and you guys are curious how do you guys handle your trades, you could also let me know on the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay, alright, so this is how we do our trades. Usually that's the case, but you never know what market opportunity does it offer, so I'll be making sure that I also do look out on other trading signals. Usually I'll be looking more on the gold side, silver side, because a lot of people are usually paying much more attention to those, and usually I'll be looking at what kind of currency pair is the strongest, what is the weakest, we can try to short it or buy it, guys. Okay, alright, so if you guys love what we've been sharing with you guys and you guys wanted to get more information on our next profit targets, you could definitely check out our Telegram link on our bio, so you can check our profile, click on that link and join our free trading channel group, so you guys could get more information on our price target that we have already set for you. Yes, definitely, Waberry, you could join it and trade on it. We have already put the stop losses, and I'll be refilling more of the target price 2 and target price 3 with you guys together later on once we hit our first profit target. Okay, so you could definitely enter on it, and we actually share not just on the Forex side, we actually do share some signals on the gold side, on the silver side. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, because I'll be letting you guys know what we have already been trading for quite some times. Definitely you guys could enter the trade. We have already put the necessary stop losses as well as the necessary price target, and I'll be refilling more with you guys later on. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions, you can let me know on the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay, alright, so now let us try to check back on our trades on the gold side. Okay, gold trading side has been wonderful, as I've said, because last week we already made a wonderful trade coming out of it. Gold has been quite a consistent trade for us over the last few weeks, but we never know how the market works, so we'll always keep our bets safe on the trading side and try not to risk too much on every single trade, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get more of the target price 2 and target price 3, you can definitely check out our link profile. So we have already shared out the much more clearer target price on the gold side, and actually since our beginning live streaming sessions, we have already been sharing these entry prices. So if you guys are late, you guys could definitely follow us, so you guys won't be missing out on our next signals. And if you guys wanted to get more exclusive signals, you could also check out our home profile, click on that link so that you guys could get more information as well. Alright, so I believe that our gold signal has been doing well Silver signal, I think that is also the case because we have already been recommending silver signals as well for quite some times. And I believe maybe right now could be a good time for us to see the market movement goes higher. Okay, Barry, that's a good thing. You have entered the sell on the US dollar Japanese yen. And right now, I will be updating you on the US dollar Japanese yen, but so I'll be review back on how the market movement has been working on every signals that I've been sharing so that you guys could stay updated on the market, Barry, okay? I'm curious, Barry, where are you from? And how long have you been trading? Okay, so let us take a look what happened on the silver signal, because silver signal could be actually doing quite well compared to gold. Okay, so we are still above our entry prices. Okay, Barry, you're from London. Good thing. How long have you been trading? 4 years. Okay, that's a good thing. So what kind of trading pairs do you trade usually, Barry? Do you trade Forex, commodities, or stock indices? What's your style? Okay, so we have also been entering on this trade. So if you guys wanted to get much more detailed price target, you could definitely check out our home profile and click on that link, guys, okay? Alright, 4 years of trading has been quite some time for Barry, so I believe near the COVID-19 pandemic, Forex only at the moment. Okay, so maybe I could be looking at some of the currency side, and for you, maybe we could be trading another trading pair soon on the currency side, but I'll be checking out whether they could be offering us any interesting entry point. If not, I will not be entering the trades because I will be trying to find a good risk reward ratio for us to enter the trade. And let us see, guys, okay? Alright, so we have already been talking about the Bitcoin market, and I highly that you guys don't enter the current prices because I'm actually seeing the resistance has been quite strong, and we have already been taking profit at our first profit target here, and we have already been recommending multiple signals since last week, from Monday last week, Tuesday last week, and we have been taking profit at our Friday signal at around 91,000. So right now won't be a good time for you guys to enter Bitcoin market, and know that Bitcoin has been quite hot, and maybe some of you guys do invest on it. I don't know, maybe some of you guys do invest. Maybe right now could be a good time for you guys to take some of profits right now, because I'm not seeing good chances that it could be going higher than 91,000 at the current price market movement. So this could be a good time for you guys to take some profits on your trades, guys. I highly recommend it that you guys do so, because I'm not looking at a very good market movement coming out from the Bitcoin side right now. So maybe you guys could consider doing that. And we have not been recommending anything since then because I'm not seeing any good market movement. Alright, maybe for now let us take a bit of focus on the US stock market, because other than that we have already been looking at the US stock market for quite some time, and we actually do share out several signals coming out from that, and we have already been actually making a quite good floating profit out of it. So in total, since last week we have already made around 20 plus thousands. If you guys buy per one Bitcoin, we have already made these huge signals because we have already been entering the trades here. 70,000, 81,000, and the latest at around 85,000, and the most recent one at around 89,000. We have already been taking profit around 91,000, guys, okay? So if you guys wanted to join us on the trades, and if you guys have been late, definitely you guys should follow us so that you guys don't miss out on our next signals. But right now I won't be recommending that you guys should enter it because market movement has started to slow down. We have hit the resistance near 91,500. Can I check GBP JPY? Okay, definitely I could check it for you. GBP, JPY, how has it been doing? Okay, so GBP, JPY has been quite, I would say, quite tricky to trade because usually I don't really love to trade Forex pair. I only trade it when it has a clear trend. So I'm a position trader, you could say that. I'm much more into seeing how the overall trend works. Okay, so right now if I'm looking at GBP, JPY, it's very clear that the market has been actually going through some sort of consolidations. It's very clear. So consolidations near here. And right now I'm seeing market movement has started to slow down on the GBP. So I'm expected because GBP has been slowing down on its market movement, and we actually see a possibility it could be moving ups and downs with that. So I'm expected that GBP, JPY for you, Warberry, I'm looking at good chances that it could be moving in this sideways movement between this downtrend momentum I'm seeing. So if you're interested, you can try to buy near the low of it at here, 194.8, and put your stop losses just below it for safety reasons. But if you say, oh, you want to buy long and you have a long-term view of it, I will be much more wary because we know that the Japanese yen market has been quite tricky for you guys to trade, and I know that for the reason. And it hasn't been a very easy market to trade on the Japanese yen pairs for most of the times. But definitely, if you guys look at the currency strength charts for today, we're actually seeing that the GBP has been weakening on this part of the site. So maybe can take a bit more cautious approach and take some profits, because I'm seeing touching near 196 could be weakening afterwards. Okay, so that's my short-term view of it. 196 could be start slowing down, maybe bouncing back here, and then we'll see how the market works. But definitely right now, after breaking out so fast, it could be going down right now on the GBP, JPY, especially. There will be a lot of news coming up from the countries, and sometimes later on there will be inflation data in 20th of November. So in another 2 days, we could be seeing a bigger volatility. So I'm not sure what kind of trading styles you are doing, Warberry, but could be a bit more cautious if you already put a buy trade. If you have already put a sell trade near here, congrats. But right now, if you've just done your buy, I'll be much more cautious. Okay. Alright, so let us check out the market movement of the gold, because much more people are trading gold, Warberry, and more of the people are trading Bitcoin and all of this stuff for a few days. So that's why our main focus will be always on the gold side. So bear with me for a moment, Warberry, but I'll be definitely checking back on the US dollar Japanese yen market as you have requested, and I'll be updating in every signals that I've been sharing, so don't worry guys. So let us check what has been going on. Okay, so far from the gold chart, we're actually looking at a very good market movement. It has been going higher and higher, and we are very close to hit our first profit target, guys. Okay, so we are not actually just sharing on this gold chart, we have already been sharing on the silver charts, and I believe on the silver chart we are very close towards our first profit target for tonight, and we could be making some money right now, guys. Okay, so in a moment I'll be checking that soon. Bear with me for a moment. Alright, let us check it out. On the silver price market movement, guys. Okay, Silver market movement has been well for us, and we already made a bit of profits. Alright, so silver market movement has been much more wonderfully done, and I could say officially we have hit our profit target 1 for tonight signals, guys. Okay, congrats if you have been following us on our signals, guys, because we have been hitting our profit target 1 on this side, and I'll be refilling our next profit target with you. We'll be trying to aim around the next profit target at $31. $31 as our next profit target, guys. $31, and you'll see it's very close. Maybe we could be hitting our next profit target soon. So we already hit our first profit target, and we could be hitting our next profit target very soon, guys. I'm very optimistic, and I believe gold has hit our profit target. Okay, so congrats for you guys who have been following us. And our next signal on the next second profit target, I'll be refilling it with you guys as I've promised. And our second profit target is at 2608 to 2610, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to be a bit more optimistic on our target, second profit target, because we already made profit target 1 tonight. Today has made 500 pips just out of today's trading, guys. Okay, all right, we'll try to aim for the second profit target right now, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get more information on our third profit target, you could definitely check out our home profile and click on that link right now, so you guys don't miss out on our price market movement, because we have already been sharing this signal since the last 1 hour, and we have actually hit our first profit target very soon. And just now we have just disclosed our second profit target. So if you have already been following us, I believe that you guys should have been in profit right now on our trades together with us. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get more information on our trades, make sure that you guys check out our home profile, click on that link, so you guys will be notified. So far, market movement has been very well. Nothing much has changed, and I'm pretty much optimistic as usual. So we'll try to aim higher price target. And if you guys have any other questions related to trading, and you guys wanted to ask me, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay. For now, we are trying to aim for our second profit target on the gold side as well as on the silver side, guys. Okay, so I hope that you guys who have been following our live stream sessions since the early part could be benefiting from it, because if you guys have been following us, you could have been hitting second profit target, third profit target, and if you guys are interested to know more, you could definitely check out our channel, so you guys will be updated on our price target. Alright, so silver market has been doing very well, and we actually very close to hit our second profit target as well on the silver charts. So I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, guys, okay? Because we have already been doing very well on our trades, and I hope that you guys could make some money based on our live streaming sessions. Shutaka, yes, I can happily say that we have already hit our first profit target on our silver, and we are very close to hit our second profit target on silver. Gold, I believe it could take some time, but I'm still pretty much optimistic. Maybe after my live streaming sessions and we could hit our second profit target. And we also share not just on gold, silver for tonight, we actually do share some signals on US dollar, Japanese yen, because I'm seeing good chances. And we have officially hit our profit target as well on the Japanese yen market. So congrats, and I'll be sharing the second target price with you guys at 154.9. Okay, so that's our signal for tonight. We have already been making some good money on 3 signals. We are already making 3 hits out of 3 signals for tonight. So if you guys wanted to get more clarifications on our next profit target, you could definitely check out more on our channel, because I'm sharing more on our channel. So make sure that you guys do check out on it, so that you guys don't miss out on any informations that you guys wanted to get early on. You could check out on our home profile, click on that link, so you guys could get more detailed informations regarding our trading plan. Okay, so we have already hit out 3 profit targets in just one single night of trading. So tonight trading has been quite wonderful, I could say that, and I believe more is to come. We could be hitting our second profit target in 3 hour signals, so I'm expecting good results, nothing bad. Okay, so we do Okay, so it has been a wonderful trade for us, and we have already been hitting our first profit target. All TP1. So if you guys don't want to miss out on it, and you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, you could definitely check out our home profile. Click on that link so you guys will be notified whenever we hit our profit target. And if you guys wanted to get more information, or if you guys have any other questions related to trading, you could definitely let us know on the comments, and I'll be happy to answer your inquiries or any of your questions, guys. Okay, anything related to trading is welcome, guys. Okay, all right, so what's next? Maybe US stock market has been quite a good market to trade. Maybe we can try to take a look what has been happening since then. Okay, so US stock market, maybe most of you guys are from London from what I can get. So I've been pretty much bullish on the US stock market. However, right now we are in a very critical point of time where I'm actually looking at a very good positions to. So we have already entered twice on the trade here. So as you guys could see, actually market movement has started to slow down on the US stock market, and this could be the make or break situation for the US stock market, because we are back towards its consolidations price at around 43,200 plus, 43,300 plus. and that could be our view whether the market movement could be going higher or whether it could be going lower, because it's a very critical point of price, because it has been breaking out of it, and right now we are back to its breakout area. So this could be the make or break for the US stock market on the Dow Jones 30, and I believe that could be the case for most of the US stock market. As you guys could be probably looking at it right now, we have actually made a very bold statement that we are bullish on it, and we have already shared two signals, one in a profit, one in a loss, and we have already shared a pretty clear stop losses for you guys, and we actually have already hit our profit target on our very first signals with you guys together. So I'm just looking at a very good signals coming out of it, and we've actually been hitting profit target here on the first signal and also the second signal. So everything has been quite well for most of the trades on the US stock market. But right now, the most important thing, whether this market movement could be continuing, is the very key questions right now. But overall, I've been pretty bullish on the US stock market, and I'm expecting good results. And we have already put the necessary stop losses, as well as give you guys the options to hold on. But I believe the best choice on the US stock market on Nasdaq could be have been taking profit early, and on US 30 we could still be joining the trades and still see the market movement, guys. Okay, US 100 started to slow down on its overall market movement, and definitely we could be trying to shift our view on the US stock market 100, because it has been broken down of that critical price at around 20,760, and we could be making our sell signal here, guys. Okay, but I'm seeing good chances it could be rebounding after dropping quite much, and we could be started to get a bit more bullish on the US stock market. Alright, so we have already been entering the trades last 2 weeks, and we'll see, guys. Okay, we'll see. Definitely, I'm still pretty much bullish, and it's been giving us a very long candle wick on it. Okay, so let me check with the other side of the trades. Maybe we could start putting a buy positions right now here, and let us compare it with the other trades such as US 500, see whether we're actually seeing the same market reactions coming out of the US stock market, US 30 as well, Dow Jones 30. Okay, it seems that market started to rebound. Maybe you can try to put some buy positions in most of the trades that we are actually doing. Okay, so maybe the most interesting parts are coming out of the US stock market. So I'll be make sure that we could make some of the trades there and try to see where it will be going next, guys. Okay. Alright, so I'll be recommending a buy signal on the US stock market, US 30, buy US 30. Entry prices at 43,000, 3,750. So I'll be giving you guys some ranges. Stop losses, I'll be giving you guys a very tight stop losses as well, 43,230. Target price one, I'll be giving you guys price target one, 43,450. Target price two, more on our channel, guys. Okay, so I'll be sharing these signals on the channel with you guys. So if you guys wanted to get more of the price target, you should definitely check out our profile. Click on that link, because right now I'll be sharing with you guys the signals that I've been sharing with you guys. So if you guys wanted to get the most detailed price target, you could definitely check out our home profile. Click on that link so you guys could get more information on there, because we are sharing more of our information there as well. Alright guys, okay, so if you guys wanted to get more informations, definitely you guys could check out our home profile and click on that link, because we have already shared this price target on our channel, guys. Okay, so make sure you guys check out on that and don't miss out on our free trading signals. Okay, so because right now we are already in a floating profit, we are sharing signals when it was still at around 43,360, and right now we're already at around 43,370. So it seems that market has started to consolidate near there, and we could be hitting higher grounds on the US stock market. But definitely I believe that was the case for most of the US stock market. US 500 also showing the same signs, started to rebound, and this could be a very good trade. But I will be exclusively share this buy signal just on our trading signals, guys. Okay, so I'll be recommending this buy US 500 or the SP 500. Entry price, stop losses, target price. Check out our channel, guys. Okay, so definitely you guys could enter near here, put your stop losses here. But if you guys wanted to get much clearer information, you could definitely check out our home profile. Click on that link so you guys could get more information, guys. Okay. Alright, so if you guys wanted to get these informations, all are on our channel, guys, because we have already been sharing lots of things. So if you guys wanted to get these signals, make sure that you guys check out our channel for these signals, guys. Okay, because we are not just profiting on the US stock market, we have already been profiting on the trades such as the gold. We have already been hitting profit targets here, as you guys could see. Profit target 1, and we are actually reaching towards our second profit target. And I've already been recommending multiple signals that you guys could have been following us. and you guys could check out because we've already been sharing multiple signals as well. Okay, so not just on gold, we've actually been sharing on silver as well. As you guys could see, we have actually officially hit our second profit target as well. So for the third profit target, definitely I suggest that you guys check out on our channel, but definitely it will be near around $31.20, guys. Okay. So we have officially have profited around 20 pips, which is a huge amount. So if you guys wanted to get our third profit target, you could definitely check out our home profile and click on that link so you guys could get the detailed informations. Okay, so let us check out on the US dollar Japanese yen, because we have already been sharing 5 signals for tonight. We have been sharing gold signals, silver signal, USD Japanese yen, and we have officially hit our second price target as well. So congrats for everyone who has been following us. We've already made huge profit target in most of our trades for tonight. And if you guys want to check out okay, so maybe let us take a look on the other signals that we have been sharing. US30 is one of it. Okay, so it hasn't been doing very well, but overall we are still running on this signal. US 500, we also shared that signal as well, all exclusively on our channel. Okay, there you go, guys. Okay, so let us take the main focus for tonight. I think the biggest profit for tonight are coming out from so if you guys wanted to get this kind of huge profits coming out of the market, and definitely you guys are trying to find good signals, profitable signals, you could definitely check out our home profile. Click on that link, guys. Okay. Okay, so let us see how the market has been working. All right, everything has been going on track. We are getting higher and higher. We have already have a floating profit around 850 pips, so well done. Let us see where the market is heading, guys. Okay, all right, So we have already been sharing these winning trades with you guys. We've already been trading gold, we have already been trading silver, we have already been trading US dollar, Japanese yen, and all are currently in a floating profit, and it at least hit our certain price target for now, for most of it. So make sure that you guys, if you guys wanted to get this kind of signals and you guys wanted to be a profitable trader, make sure that you guys check out our home profile and click on that link. And if you guys have been following us and you have already been getting profits, definitely you could share this video with your friends and family if you guys know they are trading and you guys see that they could find it helpful to find analysis from other traders. And here we share profitable signals as well, and we are very open about it. When we hit our stop losses, we hit our profit target, we'll be informing you guys with every decisions that we have made on the market, guys. Okay. All right. So if you guys love and wanted to get more information on our next profit target, you could check out our home profile, because we'll be ending our live streaming sessions in another 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll be open with any questions if you guys have anything to ask related to our trading. And if you guys have any other concerns on your trading side and you guys are interested to get our opinion, you could let us know on the comments and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay. For now, I'll be letting our trades run on its own. Everything has been doing well and I won't be concerned about it, guys. Okay. So if you guys are new to our live streaming sessions, welcome. I believe that you guys have been late on our trades, and the best things that you could have done is you can try to follow us so that you guys don't miss out on our next live streaming sessions, because we share these signals quite early on our live streaming sessions. And if you guys say, okay, I want to have a trading signals that you guys could trade right now, where you guys could check is open our profile, our bio, and there's a link there and you can click on it and get free trading signals right now that you guys could execute a trade on your account. Okay. So we are not just sharing on gold, we have already been sharing on silver as well. Hit our profit target pretty well. And third profit target you could check out on our around here, $32, $31.20. And we also share on the US dollar Japanese yen market as well. Doing pretty well too, guys. Okay. So we do hit very good profits for tonight, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on it. Alright. Okay, so maybe let us take back on the USD, because market movement has become much better on the USD, and I highly suggest that you guys don't miss out on this opportunity on the USD market, because everything has been quite well on that side of the trades, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on it. Okay. guys. So if you guys wanted to get the informations on this trading signal, you could check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get this exclusive trading signal on the US 500 SP 500 just for you guys. So if you guys wanted to get these trading signals, you could check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get that trading signals for now. Okay, so it has been 2 p.m. in UK time, and we will be ending our live streaming sessions pretty much soon. So if you guys have any other questions right now, rest your case. You can ask me right now before we end our live streaming sessions, because afterwards we will not be live and you can ask many questions. So if you wanted to ask anything, this will be the best time, because we'll be ending our live streaming sessions in another minutes. In a few minutes, that's the case. So if you guys have anything to ask, now is your best time to give us your questions, guys. Otherwise, I'll be ending our live streaming session soon. So before that, I'll be giving you guys some recaps on what we have been sharing and what are the things that you guys could be looking out for. So we have already been trading on our gold side pretty well, and I'm not seeing any dangerous signs coming out of it. And if you guys have already been profitable, I can suggest that you guys could switch your stop losses positions near 2500 plus, okay, 2596, so you guys could secure your profits and have a break even if anything goes wrong. If you guys are satisfied, you could take profit at our first profit target, 2602. Right now prices are heading higher to our second profit target, so I'm still a bit optimistic. And silver price target has been doing very well, and even though we are bearish on the overall view, tonight's market movement has been actually telling us to go bullish on it, so that's why I'm been bullish. And if you guys wanted to adjust your stop losses, I highly suggest that you guys could adjust it at 86. And if you're satisfied with our signals, and you could definitely check out. Oops. Okay, so this is our signal. I don't know what happened. I click on it. Okay, there you go. I highly suggest that you guys adjust your stop losses so you guys could end this trade on a break even. If you are satisfied, you can try to take some of your trades on the first profit target, as well as the US dollar Japanese yen market. We have already been trading quite well, and if you guys, I think this trade could be going very well and you guys could take some of profits. And if you guys wanted to get more information on the third price target, you could check out the home profile, click on that link so you guys could get that third price target as well. And maybe USD could still have a long way because we just started to recommend it, but it's going on the right directions. And if you guys wanted to get more, you could check out our channel on this second and the third price target. Everything has been going on track. As well, if you guys wanted to get this kind of exclusive signals, you could definitely check out our free trading channel. That's okay. Alright, so that is the conclusions for our trades. Everything has been going well, and I've already advised what you guys could do on your trades. So we have already been profiting out of our trades: US dollar, Japanese yen, gold, silver. And I hope that you guys who have been following us have been profitable in your trades, because we have already made wonderful trades for almost 1 hour and 30 minutes. And I hope that you guys do enjoy what we have been sharing with you guys, and definitely hope that you guys have already made profits out of our signals. Alright, so if you guys wanted to get more information right now, how you guys could get a free trading signals right now, one of the things that you could have done is check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get those free trading trading plan. And If you guys love what we've been doing and you guys have been able to make some money out of our trades, you can share this video with your friends and family so that you guys could be doing trading together and earn money together with them. Okay, so I'll be ending our live streaming session soon, and I've already opened for any questions, but there's nothing asked by you guys. So I hope that you guys have been trading well on your own and have been able to make money on your trades. So I've already been giving you guys the conclusions that you guys need. I've already adjusted the stop losses so you guys could stay safe after our live streaming sessions. But if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals after our live streaming sessions, and you could check out our home profile, click on that link, guys. Okay, so you guys could get that signals for free, and more of our price target are shared there, so make sure you guys check out on there as well. Okay, so I hope if you guys have been late and you guys miss out on our trading opportunities and money making opportunities, I'm afraid you guys have been late. One of the things that you guys could do is follow us, share this video with your friends and family, because we'll be doing this trade daily from Monday to Friday. So make sure that you guys stay tuned when we do our next live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, so I hope to see you guys tomorrow from 11 AM UK time until 14 PM UK time. Okay, I hope to see you guys tomorrow there. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today, wonderful trades as well from our side. We have already made some money out of our trades as well. See you guys tomorrow.